Hey guys, today I want to share a very delicious chicken and dumplings slow cooker recipe. You're going to love this because it goes all in one pot and it's perfect for busy fall and winter months. You'll need 3 to 4 chicken breasts, half an onion diced, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of dried dill, or if you prefer you can substitute with 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, a can of butter biscuits, cut them into smaller pieces, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, and some chicken broth. I'm going to start off and add the cream of chicken, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken broth. And I'm adding about half of the container. I will be saving the rest for the end after we add our biscuits because the biscuits do tend to absorb a lot of the broth. I'm adding the onions, the butter, and I like dill, so I'm adding dill on mine. Pepper to taste, and then I add the chicken. I actually don't add any more salt. I'm okay with the sodium and the cream of chicken and the broth. We are going to cook on high for 6 hours, but when we reach 5 hours, we are going to add our biscuits. Our chicken and dumplings have been cooking for 5 hours now, so now is the time to add our biscuits. And any additional broth or vegetables you want to add, you can do that now. And then we're going to cover and cook for another hour. Shred your chicken before serving, and there you have a delicious dinner that's very comforting and so easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and try it out on your next busy day. We will see you guys next time. Bye.